to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I picked some broad beans. This is avaraka and raw fig. This is fallen from my tree. I want to cook. We can make very good delicious fry out of this fig and it's so yummy. You won't believe until you try. Fig is full of vitamins, iron, rich in iron. It's very good for memory power, and broad beans is rich in fiber. Please try this recipe at home. Let's start cooking. இந்த வெஜிடபிள் வந்து நம்ம இந்தியாவில் நிறைய கிடைக்கும் தனிஷ். இங்கே we don't get it. We don't get this vegetable in Melbourne.
Why?
Maybe to this climate it's hard to grow.
Then how come we're getting it?
But we are maintaining so well. We are looking after really much effort we are taking. We are going to cut it thin pieces. Even you can cook with beans, broad beans. There are many options. You can go for it. So we finished chopping for avaraka. Now we are going to chop fig. Okay? Take out the stem. Make sure this is in good condition. Okay, you have to check is any insects or anything inside. Okay,
And if a bird took a bite of it.
yes. So this is a good one. This is a raw fig, it's not ripe. Okay, take a pan, add around 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds are splattered and the cumin seeds are roasted, now we are going to add 1 onion finely chopped. Add some salt. Add 2 green chilies. You can adjust according to your spicy level, and we are going to add some chili powder as well. Meanwhile, we are going to dry roast 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of methi seeds, around 5 dry red chilies. Dry roast all of these and make it into a fine powder. Add the vegetable. I'm using Indian snow peas. You can use snow peas or broad bean. Broad bean is a very good option. You can use beans. Cook this for 3 minutes, then we will add our fig. It's been 3 minutes now. I like the vegetables is crunchy, so I'm not going to overcook. Now add our figs. I have used around 10 figs today. This is around 200 grams of figs, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. My powder is ready. If you don't have time to prepare this powder, you can use sambar powder instead of this. Always fresh homemade powder, spices or masalas. It tastes awesome and the flavor also will be really good. I'm going to cook 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, looking really good. Add the spices, the masala that we ground. We are using roasted masala, so you don't have to cook for a longer time. I'm going to use egg to this recipe. If you don't eat egg, you can use shredded coconut and finish it off with coriander leaves. That's one option. Now I'm going to use egg. I'm going to break here. I'm using 2 eggs today. You can use coconut or you can use peanut powder as well. Just leave it for 1 minute, then we will mix it. Let's mix it. You don't need anything, just eat as it is. You don't need rice or roti or anything. You can eat, just put some in the bowl and you can eat as a snack. Or you can put this in between the bread and make as a sandwich, or you can keep this for your side dish for any variety rice or yogurt rice, rasam rice. It goes very well. You maybe have a doubt because we used fig, this dish may be sweetish or something. Definitely no, because we used all the spices that goes really very well with fig. This is almost done. I'll finish it off with some coriander leaves. Isn't it so simple? Turn off the flame and finish it off with some fresh coriander leaves. Mix it and then transfer to a serving bowl. It looks so yummy. Try this at home. Please leave your comment. So I have a Magic Max here. You can add addition or multiplication or division or subtraction, whatever you want to do, the max that you know. You can add the symbol here, but I want the answer 6 for all of them, like 2 to 9. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Laitya, can you start the first one, because it's a simple one and I want you to do that. So you are doing addition. So 2 plus 2 is?
So this makes 4. 2 more makes 6.
Okay. Good. Very good. Tanish, it's your turn.
3 times 3 equals 9. Minus 3 equals 6.
Good. Next one. 4. Laitya, let Anna do it later. That's a tough one. Tanish? Good. square root 4 is 2, 2, 2. If you add, you get 6. So for number 5.
Five plus five equals 10.
Laitya, you're just year 1. Maybe it's difficult for you.
I know
So
it.
Anna will do it, okay?
Wait.
But you see how he's doing it.
5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6.
Very good. Well done. Do the next one.
6 plus 6 equals 12 minus 6 equals 6.
Good.
7, no. Wait. 7 minus 7 divided by 7 equals 6.
Good. Very good. Next one.
'I'm not sure about this one, but I'll try this one.
Okay.
Look. The square root of 9 is 3.
Mm-hmm.
And the square root is all 3. And then minus. So then square root of 9 is 3. So then 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 3 equals 6.
Good.
But how do you do this one?
I'll teach you. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. 8, 8, 8. Okay? 8 plus 8 is?
16.
If you square root 16,
If you square root 16 or 4,
if you square root 4,
if you square root 4, it comes as 2.
2. 8 minus 2,
8 minus 2, 6.
that's it.
Look.
Got it?
Yeah.
My family is like a fruit family. We eat lots of fruit, and this is because why I introduced fruits to my kids is like I don't want them to eat lot of junks like chips, biscuits, cakes, those kind of things. I started to introduce more fruits to my kids. So in that way, my daughter, she loves strawberry. This is her plate, and grapes. Some of the fruits they like really much, and avocado is my daughter's favorite. Everybody knows how good and healthy this avocado is. My son's favorite is persimmon fruit. We get only now, this is the season now, so I try to bought like 3 kilos of persimmon. I'll show you the fruits that I always buy. Is the first one is papaya, orange, banana, kiwi, avocado. Pomegranate is it's like a seasonal fruit. This is honey melon, so yummy. And grapes, I prefer to buy always black grapes. It's good for health too. And some strawberries, persimmon. It's also seasonal fruit. So these are all the fruits I buy for 1 week. Sometimes it goes for 10 days. Like we will have some leftovers like pomegranate. That's all, but most of them we will finish it off. Nada sapra?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Now you know the spelling for strawberry? Yes? Okay.